Hello everyone, this is Manoj Yadav and you are watching Mechanotherapy. Today we are going to discuss about hydraulic pumps. As the name implies, hydraulic means water. So the pumps in which working fluid is water, those pumps are known as the hydraulic pumps. Now when we say pump, we mean to say that the machine which convert mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. Okay, so hydraulic pumps are the devices which convert mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. Now this hydraulic energy is present in form of pressure energy. When a hydraulic pump operates, it performs two functions. First one is its mechanical action creates a vacuum at the pump inlet, which allows the atmospheric pressure to force liquid from the reservoir into the inlet line of pump. Now second function is its mechanical action delivers this liquid to the pump outlet and forces it into the hydraulic system. So, in this way, a pump works. You must have seen the simple example of pumps in your houses also. The motor which we use for raising water to the water tank, that is a type of centrifugal pump. Okay, now we will discuss the various types of pumps. See, pumps are generally of two types. One is centrifugal pump and another one is reciprocating pump. The difference between both the pumps is the mode of rising their pressure head. Okay, in case of centrifugal pump, the centrifugal pump works on the forced vortex flow, which says that if a certain amount of liquid is rotated with help of some external torque, then rise in pressure head occurs. This rise in pressure head is equal to V square upon 2G, where V is the velocity of flowing liquid and V, V is equal to R omega. So we can write the rise in pressure head as R square omega square upon 2G. Now this equation implies that the point where radius will be maximum, their pressure head will be maximum. So at the outlet of the pump, the rise in pressure head is very high, and due to this high pressure head we can uplift the certain amount of liquid to a certain height where our tank is put. So this is the working principle of the centrifugal pump. Now a centrifugal pump has basically three or four parts. First one is strainer, which is always there in the liquids, and then suction pipe and suction valve. This suction pipe is immersed in the reservoir. Then we have the impeller, and finally we have the delivery pipe and delivery valve. Now as we switch on the motor, the impeller starts rotating. Due to this rotation, a vacuum is created in the reservoir, and that's why the water lifts into the suction pipe. Now since suction pipe is a one way valve, the water cannot go in downward direction. Then again, due to the centrifugal action, or we can say forced vortex flow, the motion of this flow, the pressure head increases and this water lifts in the delivery pipe and up to a certain height where our tank is put. Now the second type of pump is reciprocating pump. In reciprocating pump, the mechanical energy is converted into hydraulic energy or pressure energy by sucking the liquid into a cylinder in which a piston is reciprocating. Now this reciprocating piston exerts a thrust on the liquid, and due to this thrust the pressure energy increases and the liquid is lifted up to a certain height. You can see the working of this centrifugal pump with help of this diagram. As we switch on the motor, initially the piston is in left side Now after switching on the motor, crank starts rotating and piston moves from left to right. When it moves from left to right, a vacuum is created in the suction pipe, due to which the water sucks into the suction pipe. Now during second motion, the piston moves from right to left. Now since the inlet valve is closed, water cannot move in downward direction, so delivery valve opens and water is lifted on in the delivery pipe and the tank where it is to be delivered. So in this way the reciprocating pump works. Okay, thank you everyone.